Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the differences between convex lens and concave lens. First of all, we will discuss about the shape. Convex lenses can be thought of as made of prisms attached base to base. So when you attach two prisms base to base, you will get a shape like this. So this is the shape of a convex lens. From the center these lenses are thick and from the periphery these lenses are thin. And when you talk about concave lenses, they are like made up of prisms attached apex to apex. So their shape is like this. This is a concave lens. Concave lens is opposite to a convex lens, that is, they are thin in the center and thick from the periphery. Next we will discuss what happens to light when it passes through a convex or concave lens. First of all, we talk about the convex lens. As we know that it is made up of prisms attached base to base. So when light passes through convex lens, it is deviated towards the base of prism, which in this case is like that. Similarly, when light ray passes from this portion, it is again deviated towards the base. So basically, convex lens converges the light beam as it passes through it. So convex lens converges the light rays. And for a concave lens, which is like attached apex to apex, so when light ray passes through this, it is deviated towards the base of prism, and from this portion when light travels from this part of the lens, it is again deviated towards the base. So concave lens diverges the light rays as it passes through it. Next we will talk about the curvature. As convex lenses have a shape like that, so their curvature is present towards the outside, and for a concave lens the curvature is present towards inside like that. Next is image formation. As we see here that a convex lens converges the light rays, so a real image is formed and also inverted. So convex lens makes a real image, makes a inverted image, inverted means upside down. Convex lens can also make virtual image when the object is placed inside the principal focus of a convex lens. For a concave lens, opposite is true. Here in convex real image is formed, in concave it will be virtual. In convex inverted image, here will be an erect image in concave lens, and also the image is diminished, smaller in size than object. Next is field of view. Concave lenses minify the image of the object, and when the image is minified, field of view increases. And for a convex lens, opposite is true. In convex lens, image is magnified, as a result field of view is decreased. Since image is magnified, so when you see through a convex lens, the object appears closer to the eye, and in case of concave lens, objects appear further away from the eye. Positive and negative lens. Convex lens is also known as positive lens, and a concave lens is known as negative lens. Now, why convex is a positive and concave is a negative? This is because it depends on the second focal length. The second focal length of a convex lens is positive, so it is known as a positive lens, and the second focal length of a concave lens is negative, so it is known as a negative lens. Plus lens is also known as converging lens, and negative lens as diverging lens. Use. Convex lens is used to correct hypermetropia, also known as farsightedness. And a concave lens is used to correct myopia, also known as nearsightedness or short-sightedness. And hypermetropia is known as long-sightedness. So these are basic differences between a convex and a concave lens.